Hi, happy Monday. Hope everybody's having a good Monday. It's hot out there. I walked to the avenue a little bit and now I'm hot. Whew! Took my cart, but still, lugging it. You don't realize you gotta lug it, what you buy, you gotta lug home. I got a hamburger here. Gonna put it on hamburger roll. I have onion. Let's see how this works out. Got tomato. Okay, and I have some lettuce. And that's my burger. And here I have roasted potatoes. My daughter, I could have divided this in two. This was a lot. She gave me roasted potatoes. I have another bag, which I will definitely divide into two. And I put in some mixed vegetables to round it out. Get something good to eat. Got my radishes. More lettuce. I must have been a bunny. At one point in time. Oh, my onion slipping away. I love a burger. It's not a veggie burger. It's a beef burger. I'm a creature of habit. It's a lot. It's a lot of potato. Get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. Go out a little bit. It's nice. Walk on the shady side of the street. Some people carry an umbrella, a sun umbrella. I always forget to do that. It's a good idea. Monday's almost over. I have a surprise for Friday. Maybe I'll tell you tomorrow. See you later.